Thinking about remodeling your bathroom in Scottsdale? The average cost can range from $10,000 to $35,000, depending on the size, materials, and scope of work. If you're dreaming of a luxury upgrade, high-end tubs like whirlpools can cost between $1,500 and $7,000, with installation adding another $600 to $3,000. Planning a shower remodel? Expect to spend around $6,000 to $12,000, while simple tub-to-shower conversions can start at $3,000. Set a realistic budget, work with a trusted contractor, and turn your bathroom into a relaxing retreat. For expert help, contact Infinity Builders, Scottsdale Remodeling and Construction, located at 7236 East 1st Avenue Suite F, Scottsdale, Arizona 85251. Call 4-807-128-160 or visit infinitybuilders.com to get your free quote today.